Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to download Capcut in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Capcut app. Click on App Store and search on this option. Search on Capcut. Okay. Show this app and click on this option. Just click and already downloading. Just wait few seconds to download Capcut in iPhone. Fast download it. 10 seconds, wait. Okay, installing. Then open. Okay, check home screen and download this Capcut app. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.